In this video, I will teach you how to create this super simple Cheshire Cat inspired makeup look. To start with, you'll want to put on your green desire wig and your sequin cat ears. I'm also putting in my COBRA contact lenses because they match the wig perfectly. This is optional, but I'm first applying a soft brown eyeshadow through the socket of my eye just to add some definition. Next, I'm taking an eyeliner and just creating a feline shaped wing. Bring it down to a point in the inner corner and also wing it out quite far at the edge. If you struggle with liner, just take it slow and apply it in small strokes instead of trying to do the whole thing in one. Now, just fill in the gaps and you should have a nice bold cat eye. Apply some mascara and you could add some false lashes as well if you wanted to add a bit more drama. With some black face paint, just draw on a kitty cat nose. Next, paint on the shape of the smile. You want it to go up slightly in the centre, like a cat's mouth would, and then just paint it all the way out across your cheeks to create a huge grin. Using white face paint, go ahead and paint on some teeth. They don't need to be pointy just yet, we'll do that with the black face paint in a second. Now, just go in between the teeth with the black to define them and make them pointy. And then that's the completed look.